So now we have something quite interesting happening. We have had a couple of thunderstorms ready today, and there's another one coming in here. But we are close to both the island and the headland, and actually we're on a drift downwinder from being up over there in Oerveld at the Pioniertafel, where we were practicing canyoning skills off the little wall that's there. And so I actually have some neoprene with me and stuff like this, so we're actually quite well prepared and equipped for weather, but we are extremely respectful of lightning, and so we are making some thoughtful decisions here about what to do. So we're paddling certainly a bit faster. Normally we would just drift downwind and just, arrive when we arrive, but we're going to definitely paddle a little bit faster now, get to the headland, take stock of things, and then decide if we're going to do the crossing or not. The warning lights are not going, but it is kind of a bit darkening and not too many other people on the lake, so we're just going to take it easy and be cautious and just see what's going on. Well, I can tell you what, this is pretty amazing. Being pushed from behind by a wind, but there's no sign of thunder or any kind of danger. It's a strong wind. And there is quite a lot of menacing cloud around, but nothing really actually doing anything unpleasant, but just making this very interesting waves on the lake here. Very particular shape. Really nice. Yeah, let's get out there. Sit on a lake. Sit on a lake in moderate wind, be well equipped, So, don't do anything silly, wear a leash. See? Wearing a leash. Yeah, neoprene. Okay. Shoes. Heavy shoes. Dry bag on the front. Okay, don't do stuff that's stupid, yeah. Sometimes a bit sudden. So we had here from 0 to in 20 minutes. Wear a leash. I have to tell you. Wow. If you don't wish you were here, you oughta. I can tell you that. Just amazing. Just the wind and the waves, no thunder activity of any sort. Everything groovy. Proper precautions, and now we're close to land with a friendly wind to just surf home on, and we get our reward. Yeah, this is nice. Yep, sometimes it is good for it to be strenuous, because usually it means that there's a really good reward at the end of it. Some strenuous stuff, It's good. Be strong. Play strong. Look at this. That's what I'd be doing.
today.
Okay.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah? What did you do?
Well, we paddled out in quite a bit of wind, which was a lot of fun. And then we practiced abseiling, and I learned to top rope today, which was pretty exciting. So, and now we're paddling back.
Perfect, I'd say.
And in between that time, we had a nice rest and a nice beer with friends, including Sven.
Sven rocks it. He is their hammer. Well, you see, now we're having a little problem because neither of us actually want to go in at all. We'd really rather stay out here on the lake, but we do need to go in at some point. So, and we're quite close to the beach now. So now we're in a slight quandary, a moment of slightly sullen hesitation. Don't really want to go on the beach. Want to stay out on the water. Really nice on the water this evening. Awesome. Beautiful waves. Awesome skies. Amazing texture. Plenty of conservative factors of safety and comfort in case of whatever. Nicely rigged. And having spent some adventurous hours abbing off a cliff at the other side of the lake.
That was really awesome.
That was pretty neat with Sven. We are now, I guess, gonna head for home. Yeah. Okay, see you next time. Oh, anyway, there's more thunder coming. Yep. Boo.
Boo.
See you next time at the Walchensee.